So one of the most frequent questions that we get about wool pellets are that people have never heard of using wool. And so they're always asking like, what, wool? Like as a fertilizer? Why would I use that? Why would I use that in my garden? And because it's so unique and so different and very new to our modern ideology, we don't really understand it. Even though anciently they really understood that wool had these benefits of being, good for plants, good for garden, and that's wool. Wool is high in nitrogen, so it's a high nitrogen fertilizer. It's all organic, and not only does it feed for the whole year because it's a slow release, but also starts providing that nutrition on day one. So the plants that we've seen have been able to grow quicker, faster than using any other organic fertilizer. And it's really the wool that is the fertilizer. It's nothing else that's added into it. And so by adding that, you get a great fertilizer.